This is the 82 Pattern Commando Pack I worked on for my son. Pretty proud of it. He seems to like it so far. We haven't tested it out, but he's tried it on, but we haven't taken it camping, so maybe a couple of weeks we'll be doing that. 82 Pattern Canadian Pack. I loved this pack when I had one, so now I have 3. And so what is this? What are we calling this? So this is inspired from Oshawa Bushcraft, but I don't know if you're still doing YouTube videos. All the ones I'm seeing are old, and the 82 Pattern Pack, well, of course it's old, it's from the 82, and we're in like 2022, so a 40-year-old bag style. Now this is one of the newer ones, I think, because the other ones I have, well, one of them for sure is a different material, and what I remember when I got it back around 90, 91, and I'm sure they had later versions, but it was like, it's a kind of a more OD green. This seems a little darker, like forest green. Certainly you wouldn't have these buckles, and so those I just wove through what was already there. And getting these, and I've complained about it through my videos, when you're getting surplus, you don't know how it's handled. And the ones I got, all the straps were cut by whoever pulled apart the pack from the frame, probably just to pack it down a lot better, but or sell them separate, whatever. The yokes itself, that set didn't have the quick release anyway, so just not so hard to make. You just have to find yourself little loops. That's in the video. But I think overall, this is a good pack size. It's not too heavy. So I think it's around 5 pounds. Not ultra light, but tons of room in these bags and lots of room to expand. You got enough room to throw a tent under here, just wedge it underneath or tie underneath. I think I'd be doing the sleeping bag up on top, but we could probably cram it in underneath. Still tons of room here though if we need it. Plus you've got a nice strap here if you're not using your sleeping bag, which that's a little tight for a foam roll. Raining out here, so that'll make it look fun. I don't know if we catch that. So this is decently waterproof. This is like, I think, a later generation 82 Pattern Pack. Added on the reflective Canada flag piece. Lots of pack room. Custom camo wraps. Just had the log there because of the curve. These quick release straps are custom made. Moved out to the blue strapping. This might be a different shade of blue than this slightly, simply because I did some threading with an awl and I wanted to cover it up. So I just took some acrylic paint and for fabric, put it on there, and then actually baked the straps. Apparently that cures them. I was talking to an artist on that. Did some blue paracord lashing, added 3 different handle sets, and I was going to teach my guy how to do that. He gets a little bit confused with the weaves. I told him not a big deal. You'll just end up with a spiral pattern or back and forth, and you can always go and fix it. Tons of extra rope. Going to slip in some extra duct tape. There's lots of electrical tape, which can be useful too, and going to throw in a sewing needle and a bit of a kit. Probably tuck away in there, and I'm not going to tell him, a toothbrush and a floss. And a couple other little mini survival things, some water purification tablets, all underneath here. Lots of spacing under here, so you get good airflow. And so you can custom all kinds of stuff on here, and thanks for the idea and inspiration, Tell. I know this barefoot hiker was talking about it, seen some other people, and I love this pack when I was way long time ago as a kid in Army Cadets. A couple prized possessions, a poncho and this.